How to delete Facebook page. So in this video, I'm going to show you the updated process on how to delete Facebook page. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Facebook application, and then in here we'll have to make sure that we are using our Facebook page. To do that, tap on this profile picture, select your Facebook page, and then tap on the switch option. Once we're done switching our account, we'll have to go back on the Facebook page menu. To do that, tap again on this profile picture, and then in here we'll have to scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. Under settings and privacy, we'll have to scroll down again and then look for this option access and control. And then after that, it will now show us these two options here, deactivate page and then delete page. If you only want to have a temporary break on your Facebook page, all you need to do is to tap on this deactivate page option. But if you want to completely delete your Facebook page account, simply select the delete page option. In here, you have to keep in mind that once you delete your account, you will no longer be able to retrieve the content or informations you have on your Facebook page, including all the messages that you have. If you are sure to delete your page, simply tap on the confirm option, and then after that, in here you will be asked why you are deleting your Facebook page. You can simply select any of this one and then tap on continue. After that, tap again on continue. And then in here, before you completely delete your Facebook page, you can either download your information or transfer your information. Once you're done, simply tap on the continue option. And then in here, to proceed deleting our Facebook page, all we need to do is to input our password. Once we're done, simply tap on the continue option. So that is the updated process on how we can delete our Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!